In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add more sections to your Shopify theme. Whether you're looking to enhance your online store's layout with additional sections or simply want to highlight new products or features, this guide will walk you through the easy steps to make those changes. Let's begin by navigating to the site editor within your Shopify admin. Once you're there, you'll notice a panel on the left-hand side of your screen. This is the navigation pane, which essentially serves as the backbone for organizing your store. It displays all the existing sections of your store in their respective order, providing you with a clear overview of how each component of your website is currently structured. Now, to add a new section, you have a couple of options. First, you can simply click on Add Section from that very same navigation pane. This action will prompt a menu to appear, offering a variety of section types to choose from. Whether you're aiming to introduce something like a featured product carousel, add a testimonial section, or maybe even incorporate a video gallery, this menu gives you the flexibility to pick what best suits your needs. Moreover, if you explore your site preview on the right side of the screen, you'll notice the boundaries that separate each existing section. If you hover your mouse cursor over one of these boundaries, you'll see a plus icon pop up. Clicking this icon allows you to add a new section precisely at that location within your website. This feature is particularly useful if you're looking to introduce a section strategically without needing to shuffle things around too much initially. After you've added a new section, the next step is to determine where it best fits into the overall layout of your store. While it will be added to the bottom by default, you can easily adjust its placement to match your design vision by returning to the navigation pane. Click on the section you wish to move and hold down your mouse button to drag it up or down, placing it exactly where you envision it best fitting with the overall flow of your web store content. This drag and drop functionality is one of Shopify's user-friendly features, allowing for an intuitive experience in structuring your ideal store layout. And there you have it. That's all it takes. With these straightforward steps, you can effortlessly add more elements and rearrange your Shopify store's sections to better showcase your products, promotions, or any other critical information you wish to highlight. Make sure to explore the types of sections available, as they can really enhance the customer experience on your site. Happy editing, and enjoy customizing your beautiful Shopify store to better reflect your brand's personality and offerings.